All right, let's upload our evidence that we have completed our weekly elective assignment. First thing I'm going to do is just scroll down from here, go down to electives and click here. Come down to the weekly check-in, click, and then another click. All right, so which elective opportunities did you explore? Miss Churches. Let's see here, next. Scrolling. Okay. Please describe which of Miss Church's activities you chose to do. Scratch. Let's just say I'm just kind of practicing. Look at what I did from March 30th to April 30th. Add a file. Okay. So from right here, now I can upload a file. So I'm going to select files from my device. Click. I have a picture here, and I'm going to click open. So my picture will be right here, and I click upload. All right, there it is. Next, I click submit. Okay, that should work. Week 1 is done. All right, so I'm going to include a picture from week 1. Let's suppose if I want to include a ton of pictures. And you can put week 2 here, you can come back here and put week 3, whatever it is. So this is going to be week 1 evidence. And I'm going to insert an image from my computer. And I just know that I have an image here, so I'm going to click this. There we go. You can resize it if you want. You can add a bunch of other images. This is my new dog, Charlie. He's having a fun day with me being home. Okay, so just as an example, I have this document. I have it as week 1, and now I'm going to close it. Okay, so now I will go back to my elective page, click on the place where I'm going to have to do my evidence, and I put Miss Church, or let's say you did Miss Eggleston's, okay, or an independent study, whatever it is, it doesn't matter, because you chose which one you did. So I'm just kind of messing around here. So I'm just going to finish with independent choice activity. I did something cool. So I click next. And did you find the workshop online? You're just kind of going through here. Please describe which activity you chose to do. I took a picture of Charlie as an example on how to upload evidence. There we go. Oops, I think there's a C in there. There we go. All right, so I'm uploading evidence. Here it says add a file, so I'm going to click. I'm going to add a file from my drive because that's where it is. I'm going to scroll down here. Aha, week 1. Select. You can even add another file. You can add a file from the My Drive, which was just my picture anyway. Remember the picture? There's Charlie. So you could do it 1 or 2 different ways. So here's week 1. Here's it as a Word document. Here it is as a picture. It's a JPEG. And now all I have to do is click submit. So I hope that helps in you finding a way to submit your evidence for your elective project. Thank you. Bye.